कैसे कहूँ तुमसे कि तुम मेरे लिए क्या मांगा था जो रब से, हाँ वो दुआ हो तुम। तेरे बिना लगता नहीं दिल मेरा, रह जाएगी कहानी मेरी अधूरी जो तू ना मिला। मेरी बनोगी क्या, मेरी रहोगी क्या, पूछे दिल मेरा तुमसे। मेरी बनोगी क्या, मेरी रहोगी क्या, अब तो आदत लगी है तेरी। वादे तुम्हें करता नहीं चांद तारों के, पर खुशियां सभी ख्वाहिश तेरी पूरी कर दूं मैं। अब जीना नहीं तेरे बिना, संग रहना मुझे है तेरे करीब। मेरी धड़कन तुम ही, सांसें भी, बस कहता है तुमसे यही। मेरी बनोगी क्या, मेरी रहोगी क्या, पूछे दिल मेरा तुमसे यही। मेरी बनोगी क्या, मेरी रहोगी क्या, अब तो आदत लगी है तेरी। मेरे सबसे खूबसूरत एहसास हो तुम, कभी सोचो कितने खास हो तुम। रह जा बनके मेरी, तुझको ही चाहूं मैं सदा, एक दूजे से न हो हम जुदा। मेरी बनोगी क्या।
चल पड़े हम ऐसी राह पे, बेफिक्र हुए कि अब जाना कहाँ, लापता हुए सारे रास्ते, ढूंढेगा हमें ये ज़माना कहाँ। ये समा है कैसा, मुस्कुराने जैसा, धीमी बारिशें हर जगह। ये नशा है कैसा, डूब जाने जैसा, जारी ख्वाहिशें हर जगह। गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो जरा। गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो जरा। पानी हूँ पानी मैं, हाँ बहने दो मुझे, जैसा हूँ ऐसा ही रहने दो मुझे। दुनिया की बंदिशों से मेरा नाता है कहाँ, रुकना ठहरना मुझको आता है कहाँ। ये समा कैसा, मुस्कुराने जैसा, तेरी बारिशें हर जगह। ख्वाहिशें हर जगह गजब का है ये दिन गजब का है ये दिन गजब का है ये दिन देखो जरा गजब का है ये दिन गजब का है ये दिन गजब का है ये दिन देखो जरा
We need everyone to cheer for them as loud as you can.
Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Raj's sister Ravina and his bibbi Joginder Kaur Uppo.
We have Rajan's Nana and Nani, Ajit Singh Thakkar and Surjit Kaur Thakkar. Let's go!
Make some noise as we welcome Raj's parents, Billa and Binder Uppo.
Next we have Sharmila and Kishore Shetty.
ಈ ಬಂಧನ ಜನುಮ ಜನುಮದ ಅನುಬಂಧನ ಈ ಬಂಧನ ಜನುಮ ಜನುಮದ ಅನುಬಂಧನ.
Let's make some noise as we introduce Rajan and Shraddha Uppo.
Y la botella para arriba, siempre la móvil la tenemos prendida. Vengo a mandarla hasta que se haga de día. Sigo rulito que es la mía. Salió el sol, un gol. Prime la boca y el alcohol. Impréndelo, un gol. Todo se salió de control. Y síguelo. Ya no le va.
Seca, todo el mundo en pandilla en la discoteca. Beba y agua para la seca, todo el mundo en pandilla en la discoteca.
Coming out. So Binder and I have prepared our speech, and I'm gonna.
Prepared.
Okay, maybe I prepared it, but she's like checked it a couple of times. Can you hear me now? All right. All right. Welcome, everyone. Binder and I are very grateful for this gift, our son's wedding. We're even more grateful to have friends and family to share it with. We have so many people to thank that I'd be up here all night. You all have a big hand in this. Remember, No one can do anything alone. I have some amazing family, and I definitely rely on them. My brother and sister, Bazir and Nina, their partners, Ashna and Gurdeep, as well as Jinder and Deepi. And of course, Rajan's Nana and Naniji. I don't want to ask for more, but I wish my dad was here to share this moment. I just want to see a picture of my dad up there, but he's the one that has taken the burdens. He and Mom had provided me with all this, and I thank them both. I have learned so much since my dad passed. He had to suffer, and I had to miss him this much. We would have had the most wonderful talks. I will always love and miss you, Dad. I know this is Rajan's day, but I want to talk about my Princess Ravina too. Since we had her, my heart grew as big as I thought it could. But now with Shraddha in my life, I didn't realize it could get any bigger, but it did. I wrote that. I know I'm supposed to give some words of wisdom, but words are meaningless without action. Seva means selfless service. Many people practice this at the temple or community centers by serving others for a few hours, but many more practice it every day. Learn to be selfless and give more, do more, be more. As you do, it becomes a pattern in your life, and it will become effortless and make you stronger. Meaning will come into your life, and the mundane will become extraordinary. Parents learn this with kids. We are selfless in our love and actions for them. It gives us purpose in life, and we learn to go past our perceived limits. It does not mean you forget yourself. You need to keep yourself grounded before trying to help others. Reflect more. Try to apply seva to everyone, including strangers. A small act of kindness goes a long way. We may get lost in day-to-day things, but that's okay. This journey has no user guide or expiry date we can control. We learn as we go, and we are lucky if it changes us for the better. Do not fight life, it will win. Learn to adjust to it, and it will help you look all around and absorb what you can. Never look at something with simply call it out. Really look at it before judgment. This is something I learned from my dad's actions, and I want for you. Now to my son and my new daughter, Rajan and Shraddha. I have considered Shraddha my daughter for a while now. When I first met her, she was quiet and reserved, but over time, she has become a part of the family, and her presence is missed in the house when she can't make it over. Rajan seems to think you're delicate. You may seem like that on the outside, but I see the strong woman inside. You like to get your hands dirty and are pretty handy around the house. Normally, when I do things around the house, I like to do it by myself. Probably because I'm not a pleasure to be around when I'm doing stuff. But one afternoon, Shraddha saw me replacing the dishwasher and right away wanted to help. Since everybody has stopped asking me if I needed help, it made me happy. It made me happy to have someone ask. I don't blame Rajan, Ravina, or Binder for not wanting to help. I screwed that up by myself. When somebody like Shraddha comes into your life, they remind you what you're missing. Something as simple as asking me if I needed a hand, reminding me that I've changed over the years. If it's as simple as passing the wrench. Thank you for showing me that, Shraddha, and I can't wait to call you to help around your house. Although I think you can probably figure it out on your own. Your parents did an amazing job with you. Thank you, Kishore and Sharmila. I am looking forward. I am looking forward to more of your dad's stories. And maybe we'll let the wives have a word in every once in a while. We have been getting to know your parents over the year, and we are amazed at how easy they are to be with. And I hope the feeling is mutual. Rajan is a wonderful son. I really couldn't ask for more. I miss our drives to the many venues he played in. We would listen to music and talk. Maybe I did most of the talking. But when I got my chance, I'd play the 80s rock. I thought he just grinned and bared it, as I was driving him everywhere. One day I heard him humming a song around the house, and I asked him about it. He said he enjoyed some of the songs and would listen to the whole song that came on the radio. That made me feel so warm inside. I remember going to the Diamonds on a hot summer day to work on grounders, pitching, hittings, and most times all of them. And when we'd sit down, drink water, it reminded me of my youth, back to my youth, the beautiful moments. I have so many stories, but I was told to keep it short. He is thoughtful and appreciative, and I know he will be great for Shraddha. I know you'll make a great team. I look at him as Shraddha and I recall me with Binder. I think I'm still like that, right, hon? Rajan, you're leaving the nest and we will adjust. I see how much you two love each other. The future looks bright and I'm looking forward to what life has in store for you two. We will continue to embrace it together and remember to always wear sunscreen. Not everybody's going to get that, but, you know, some of you will. Thank you. Thank you.
Looks like the bar is going to go open soon. Can you hear me now? All right. Good evening, everyone. First, let me thank you all for being here to celebrate such a joyful and important day in our lives. Seeing this room filled with so many smiling faces, I can tell my daughter and her new husband are surrounded by love, and that's the greatest gift anyone can ask for. Now, for those who don't know us, we are the incredible, proud parents of the beautiful bride. Watching your child grow up is something that's hard to put into words. One day you're holding them in your arms, amazed at how something so small can take up so much space in your heart. And the next, you're helping them into a wedding dress and wondering how time passed away so quickly. My daughter has always been someone who brings light into every room, strong, compassionate, smart, and just stubborn enough to get exactly what she wants. So it's no surprise she found someone as wonderful as Rajan to share her life with. Rajan, from the moment we met you, we could see how happy you make her. Thank you for loving her, for seeing her the way we always seen her. Today we don't feel like we are giving away our daughter, we are gaining a son. Marriage is a partnership built on trust, laughter, patience, and the decision to choose each other. Every single day, and if you two keep doing that, there's nothing you can face together. So let's raise a glass to love, to laughter, and growing old together to the beautiful future ahead of Shraddha. May your life together be filled with more joy than you can imagine and just enough challenges to remind you how strong your love is really. And I just want to thank you at this point to Binder and Billa to being so accommodative and I think they're not named friends anymore, we are brothers and sisters. And the way we get along, and thank you very much. At this point, I would say is don't drink and drive and be safe. Thank you and good night.
Hey everyone, I'm going to keep this really short and sweet because as most of you already know, I don't really like being up here and giving speeches. But when I told my mom I wasn't trying to do this, she yelled at me. So here we are. I just want to start off by saying how incredibly happy I am for the both of you and how much I love you both. Shraddha, you are genuinely the kindest and sweetest soul I've ever met, and I'm so happy to have you in our family. You make my brother so, so happy. To be honest, I don't even remember the first time we met because it just feels like you've always been a part of my life. But I do remember saying to Rajan when I did meet you is that I actually cannot understand how he managed to get someone as nice as you. I honestly thought you were too sweet for him, but I'm so happy you're still here after all these years. And Rajan, it's honestly going to be weird not having you home anymore. As much as you would annoy me and put me in headlocks and chokeholds at the grown ages of 22 and 27, I unfortunately will miss you. I don't know where the lines blurred, and it went from me being the chunky little kid who'd have to hold your hand because you were too scared to go to the basement alone, to being my big brother who I know will always have my back. I still remember when I was maybe 5 or 6 and in kindergarten, I wanted to be a fairy for Halloween. Mom and Dad got me the dress, the wings, the tiara, but I was missing the wand. I either broke it or lost it, I can't remember. But I do remember that you stayed up all night making me one from scratch. I was so excited that when I went to school the next day and dressed up, I told all my friends that my big brother was the one who saved the day. And that's something I'll always remember. I'm so proud of you and all the things you've already accomplished in your life, and I know with Shraddha by your side, those achievements and happiness will be 10 times greater. I hope you two continue to have a happy and long life together and make the most amazing memories. You guys make it look so easy, and I hope I'm lucky enough to have something even half as good as you guys. I'm so excited to see this next chapter of your life, and I'm so grateful that we'll be living even closer to each other for it. So please make sure your couch is ready when Mom and Dad are driving me crazy and I want to sleep over.
Now, let's show some love and give the newlyweds.
The newlyweds.
The newlyweds, their husband and wife.
Yeah.
The new husband and wife.
Bride and groom.
The bride, the Shraddhs and Rajan, if you didn't know. Yeah. So we're gonna give them a big round of applause. Let's go!
Thanks, guys. I'm just looking for my speech. Okay, got it now. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I'm a little nervous, so bear with me. Okay, so before I get into this, thank you all for being here. And special shout out to our MCs. This night would not be running so smoothly without you, our two favorite people, so round of applause to you guys. I would like to say sorry in advance. I have a lot to say. I will cry. I will most probably stutter, but I will wrap it up in 5 minutes. I timed it, so I'm sorry. Before I get into my spiel, there are many very special people that my family and I have missed a little extra in the past few days. My Sulakshana mommy, I'm gonna cry. Avinash Mama and my little brother Yajit, my aunts, uncles, and cousins, some of my favorite people who are actually on the other side of the world. My Aji sitting back at home who's been telling me to get married since I was 16. She's probably the happiest she's ever been. My two Ajas and my Aji looking down at us smiling. An honorable mention to Rajan's Baba, who I wish I had the pleasure of meeting. Because every once in a while, I'm lucky enough to see the mark he left on everybody he loved. Okay, speaking of the Uppals, I'm an Uppal now. My new family, I'm absolutely lying. It's not new at all. To say I'm blessed is an understatement. I lucked out with my in-laws. And to everyone who knows them knows I really lucked out with my in-laws. They welcomed me into their lives from the day I met them. They made space for me in such a way that it felt as if there was a place in their hearts always made for me. Thank you for being so kind, warm, and loving. Thank you for raising Rajan the way you did. It's so obvious he's the best version of all of you combined. And I couldn't be more grateful. Special shout out to Ravina. When I was 5, I told all my friends that I had a little sister. So you've officially proved that I'm not a liar. I just manifested you, and you're all welcome. But all jokes aside, I love you more than you know, and I'm so grateful I gained the sweetest little sister. Okay. This one's gonna be hard, so I will not look at my parents. I'm not turning around. One of the lotteries of life is having amazing, kind parents that love you with their whole entire beings. I'm so grateful for the people that raised me. The people the people who made me who I am. The truth is, there aren't enough words in my vocabulary to express how grateful I am for them. Nothing will ever do it justice, but I'm gonna try. I did nothing to deserve the love my parents give me, but they remind me of how deserving I am of it every single day. My mother is my soul. She is kind, she's gentle, and loves with her whole heart. You can never feel more safe and more loved in anybody else's presence. She's the best thing that's ever happened to me. My father is my guiding light. He taught me to be strong, independent, and funny, I hope, and calm in the face of chaos. Sometimes I need a refresher on that, but when I think about my dad, I think about love, the way he roots our family and holds us down so silently and selflessly with so much strength. He's the first person I've ever looked up to and the man who will never fail to make me laugh. I could go on and on and on and on about my parents, and yes, they are as unbelievably amazing as they sound. But I will stop, or this night won't end. Okay, now to my husband. Crazy! Crazy! Okay, to be madly in love with your best friend is one of life's biggest blessings. If you know me, you know every time I see 11:11, I make a wish. Well, several. The rule is the wishes stop at 11:12. But I always say the moment I knew I loved Rajan was the day he started becoming a constant in my 11:11s. The athlete boy with muscles that never smiled in pictures slowly became the man that saw me in ways I didn't even realize I needed to be seen. Rajan is one of the kindest, most hardworking, and loving people I know. I've never met someone that wants to see other people win more, who wants other people to understand their worth more. He's the best and biggest cheerleader anyone could ever have. He makes people feel important, seen, and so loved. Thank you for being as perfect as you are. Thank you for loving me and making the most mundane tasks with you my favorite parts of the day. I'm so excited for a lifetime of Sunday fun days with a box of air-fried soy garlic chicken and steamed rice from Core Chicken, and I promise to always be the loudest clap for you, to believe in you and love you to whatever end. Okay, I'm almost done, I promise. I've always known love existed because of the way I've been loved by the people around me. So this is to all of you. Who've been my constants my whole life. Some that I've known from the moment I was born, some that joined along the way, and some that I've just met. Sometimes when I feel like my luck is running out, I look at my village. I look at all of you and scold myself for even doubting it. Going back to my 11:11s, the reason I make those wishes is truly because I know they all come true. They gave me all of you, all of this. So thank you for making our lives better, happier, and full of so much love. Thank you for being here because we truly would not have been at the front of this room without you. So we love you. Thank you. I'm done. Thank you.
Let's give it up one more time, shall we? Okay, everybody knows I'm a pretty chill guy, but I'm pretty nervous right now. So I'm gonna probably speak pretty fast. So first of all, thank you to everyone who came today and joined the events this week. Shraddha and I love creating memories with friends, family, you guys all know this. So having you all here means the world to us. Now, to my new parents, I'll admit, I was nervous the first time I met you both. I didn't know what to bring, so I showed up with a box of desserts to feed a family of 10, even though it was just 3 of you guys, for lunch. But still not sure what I was thinking, but as soon as I walked in, the nerves disappeared. The food, the stories, the laughs, it felt like I'd already been a part of your family. And it feels that way every time I walk into your home. You probably noticed it, especially when I'm passed out on the recliner during movie nights. That's the real sign I feel at home with you guys. To my little sister, Ravina, most siblings grow up fighting constantly, but we were different. Sure, you bullied me a little because you knew that I would never hit you back. Until that one day ended very swiftly when I beat you in Taekwondo in the middle school and saw the look in your eyes that said, oh shit, he's serious. But honestly, we were always cool with each other, from playing sports in the house to making up our own games. You were part of some of my best memories during my childhood. And as we've gotten older, we've only grown closer. I can't wait to keep making memories with you because being your older brother and always having your back is one of my greatest roles in life. Now, Mom, Madre, you've always been the source of compassion in my life. No matter what dream or goal I had, you never once questioned it. You just believed in me. That kind of unconditional support gave me the confidence to keep chasing big things. One memory that sticks out after, oh yeah, clap, 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 go. One memory that sticks out after kindergarten. You wanted to play catch with me. You might not even remember, but you had the gloves and ball ready on the porch, and even though you had no idea how to throw, you just wanted to share something I loved. That moment still means so much because it showed me how deeply you cared about my happiness. But it wasn't just about love and comfort. You also showed me what true strength looks like. You are the definition of a hardworking woman. You prove that when a woman sets her mind to something, she can achieve it. You gave me safety, love, and an example of resilience that I'll carry forever. And even with all that, I know one thing won't change. We're going to keep making fun of each other as we grow older. Dad, you are the man I truly aspire to be like. Wait, where'd I go? There it is. You always said you wanted to be half the man your dad was, my Baba. But let me tell you something, you're exactly who he is. You are the most caring and selfless person I know, taking care of everybody else before yourself. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Okay, I remember the sacrifices. You'd work long hours, come home exhausted, and instead of resting, you'd drive me to baseball. You'd toss me ground balls for hours, not leaving until I got it right, even though you had probably nothing left in the tank. The dedication taught me what it means to show up for the people you love. And don't think I wasn't listening to the stories you told me on those car rides. You probably thought they went in one ear, out the other, but I promise you I heard every word. You helped shape the way I see the world. And the music that obviously nobody else knows about. Both of you together, you've shown me what resilience and hard work really means. From our basement apartment to where we live now, you gave me front row seat to what it looks like to push through and build a better life. You taught me to ask, what if it all does work out, instead of living in doubt? Because, oh, done that part, good. Whew. And now, to my wife, crazy. You are my source of happiness. Everything I do with you is just fun. It doesn't matter if we're traveling or just laughing on the couch. Every time I see you, it's smiles and laughter. When I have exciting news, you're the first person I run to. When life gets stressful, you're the one I lean on. When someone tells me a secret, it's safe with both of us. You're my safe place, my calm, my love, my peace. Before I met you, I thought love was just a feeling. But with you, I realized love is also action. It's showing up, it's growing together, it's choosing each other every single day. My dad always told me that one day those lovey-dovey songs on the radio would finally make sense. I never believed him, but he was right. Now every time one of those songs come on, I can't help but picture you. You live rent-free in my head, but honestly, I wouldn't want it any other way. You've brought a side of me out that I didn't even know existed. A fun, lightheartedness, a sense of adventure. I know we're still young, but I still feel like that 20-year-old kid who just met you for the first time at Ryerson. I don't think we'll ever grow old together because the joy and smile you bring me will always make me feel young. I love you, and I know I'll love you more and more every single day of our lives. All right, now that we got the sappy stuff out the way, it is time to party. Yes. So right now, we're gonna ask all the ladies who my mom came to go outside, get ready for the juggle. Okay, start moving, guys, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hello.
दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया वे अज दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया अज दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया अज दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया दिन अज खुशियां वाला आया दिन अज खुशियां वाला आया मैं तो नच नच लाउणा चा अज दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया अज दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया ओ बारी बरसी खट्टण गया सी खट के लियांदी थोड़ी भंगड़ा तां सजदा नचे विआह वाली जोड़ी ओ भंगड़ा तां सजदा नचे विआह वाली जोड़ी भंगड़ा तां सजदा नचे विआह वाली जोड़ी बल्ले बल्ले ओ चिट्टे चौल जिन्हां ने बुन कीते रब ने बनाइया जोड़ियां ओ चिट्टे चौल जिन्हां ने बुन कीते रब ने बनाइया जोड़ियां ओ नी तू गिद्धियां दी रानी ओ नी मैं भंगड़े दा राजा नी तू गिद्धियां दी रानी नी मैं भंगड़े दा राजा चल हुण नच के दिखाइए नी मिलो चल हुण भंगड़ा पाइए नी मिलो चल हुण बल्ले हो बारी बरसी खट्टण गया सी खड़ के लियांदा रैड़ी भंगड़ा तां सजदा नच्चन मम्मी ते डैडी ओ भंगड़ा तां सजदा नच्चन मम्मी दोनों साइडां ते मम्मी डैडी आ जाओ नच्चन मम्मी ते डैडी ओ भंगड़ा तां सजदा नच्चन मम्मी ते डैडी भंगड़ा तां सजदा अज मम्मी जी दी हो गई वाह भई वाह डैडी दी हो गई वाह भई वाह मम्मी दी हो गई वाह भई वाह पुत्त दे विआह दा चढ़ गया चा कुड़ी दे विआह दा चढ़ गया चा मम्मी दी हो गई वाह भई वाह ओ ढोला वे ढोला हाय ढोला ढोला वे ढोला हाय ढोला आजा दोवें नच्चिए हाय ढोला दुख दुख बोलिए हाय ढोला ढोला वे ढोला हाय ढोला हो बारी बरसी खट्टण गया सी खड़ के लियांदे जामे भंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन मामियां मामे भंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन मामियां मामे भंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन मामियां मामे साडे भाणजे दा विआह सानू सारिआं ने कहना गोडे गोडे चा साडे भाणजे दा विआह सानू ओ साडी भाणजी दा विआह सानू नी मैं नची जावा मेरा पट्टी जावा मामा नची जावे धूड़ा पट्टी जावे वधाइयां मामा तेनू वधाइयां जी वधाइयां मामी तेनू वधाइयां जी गिद्धे दे विच मामी आई गिद्धे दे विच मामी आई हार शिंगार लगा के पहला पौंदी नू वेख मामिया आके पहला पौंदी नू वेख मामिया आके पहला पौंदी नू वेख मामिया आके बल्ले बई मामा जी दी वड्डी नौकरी मामा थोड़ा जिहा सारिआं ने सुनना मामा जी दी वड्डी नौकरी मामा जी दी वड्डी नौकरी कुल ब्रैम्पटन डरदा जी बस मामी मूरे हांजी हांजी करदा जी बस मामी मूरे हांजी हांजी करदा जी बस मामी मूरे बारी बरसी खटन गया सी खड़ के लियांदा कुक्कड़ बारी बरसी खटन गया सी खड़ के लियांदा कुक्कड़ भंगड़ा तां सजदा नच्चन पूआ फुੱਫੜ भंगड़ा तां सजदा नच्चन पूआ फुੱਫੜ भंगड़ा तां सजदा नच्चन पूआ फुੱਫੜ बल्ले जी मुंडे दा फुੱਫੜ शावा जी मुंडे दा फुੱਫੜ बल्ले जी कुड़ी दा फुੱਫੜ शावा जी कुड़ी दा फुੱਫੜ फुੱਫੜ लब्बे कुक्कड़ जी कुड़ी दा फुੱਫੜ शावा जी कुड़ी दा फुੱਫੜ बाद ओ ਭੂਆ ਅੱਜ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਫੁੱਫੜ ਡਾਲਰ ਵਾਰਦਾ ਭੂਆ ਅੱਜ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਫੁੱਫੜ ਡਾਲਰ ਵਾਰਦਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਦਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਦਾ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਲਾਚੇ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਲਾਚੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਚਾਚੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਚਾਚੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਚਾਚੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਚਾਚਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਆਇਆ ਬਾਕੀ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਜਰਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਣੇ ਡਾਂਸ ਫਲੋਰ 'ਚ ਜੇ ਨੱਚਣ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਚਾਚੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਚਾਚੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਚਾਚੀਆਂ ਚਾਚੇ ਚਾਚੀ ਨਖਰੋ ਕੰਮ ਨਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਬਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਿੰਦੀ ਚਾਚੀ ਨਖਰੋ ਕੰਮ ਨਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਬਹਿੰਦੀ ਬਿੰਦੀ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਬਿੰਦੀ ਨੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਤੀ ਜਿੰਦੀ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਬਿੰਦੀ ਨੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਤੀ ਜਿੰਦੀ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਬਿੰਦੀ ਨੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਤੀ ਜਿੰਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਚਾਚੇ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਵਾਹ ਬਈ ਵਾਹ ਅੱਜ ਚਾਚੀ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਵਾਹ ਬਈ ਵਾਹ ਅੱਜ ਚਾਚੇ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਵਾਹ ਬਈ ਵਾਹ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਕਾਂਸੜ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਕਾਂਸੜ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਮਾਸੀਆਂ ਮਾਸੜ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਮਾਸੀਆਂ ਮਾਸੜ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਮਾਸੀਆਂ ਮਾਸੜ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੀ ਮਾਸੀ ਲਾਗੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਾਗ ਦਵਾ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਮਾਸੀ ਲਾਗੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਾਗ ਦਵਾ ਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਾਲਰ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਮਾਸੜ ਦੀ ਵੇਲ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਾਲਰ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਮਾਸੜ ਦੀ ਵੇਲ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਪੱਖੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਮਾਸੜ ਨੇ ਮਾਸੀ ਲਾਡਲੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੇ ਮਾਸੜ ਨੇ ਮਾਸੀ ਲਾਡਲੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੇ ਮਾਸੜ ਨੇ ਮਾਸੀ ਲਾਡਲੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਰਾਇਆ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖੱਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਰਾਇਆ ਰੌਣਕ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਨੱਚਣ ਤਾਈ ਤਾਇਆ ਰੌਣਕ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਨੱਚਣ ਤਾਈ ਤਾਇਆ ਰੌਣਕ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਨੱਚਣ ਤਾਈ ਤਾਇਆ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੀਆਂ ਜਵੈਣਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਜਰਾ ਸਰਕਲ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਆ ਗਈ ਜੇ ਨੱਚਣ ਜੋੜੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਜੋੜੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚਣ ਜੋੜੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਬੱਲੇ ਕਦੇ ਹੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਉੱਚੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਅ ਚੜਿਆ ਉਹ ਕਦੇ ਹੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਗੇੜਾ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਨੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰੇ ਲੰਮੀ ਬਾਹ ਕਰਕੇ ਗੇੜਾ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਨੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰੇ ਲੰਮੀ ਗੇੜਾ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਨੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰੇ ਲੰਮੀ ਬਾਹ ਕਰਕੇ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੂੰ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੂੰ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਭੈਣ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਵਾ ਚੰਨ ਵਰਗੀ ਭਰਜਾਈ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀਰ ਵਿਆਹ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਇਆ ਚੰਨ ਵਰਗੀ ਭਰਜਾਈ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀਰ ਵਿਆਹ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਇਆ ਹੱਥੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਛਾਪਾਂ ਛੱਲੇ ਬਾਹੀਂ ਚੂੜਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੱਥੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਛਾਪਾਂ ਛੱਲੇ ਬਾਹੀਂ ਚੂੜਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਜੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀਰ ਵਿਆਹ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਉਹ खट खट के ले आंदे खीरे ओ पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन जोड़ी दे वीरे ओ पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन जोड़ी दे वीरे पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन जोड़ी दे वीरे बल्ले ओ जीडी रोड ते जीडी रोड ते दवाइयां पावे यार दा ट्रक वल्लीए जीडी रोड ते ओ बारी खोल के वाहिगुरू बोल के बारी खोल के वाहिगुरू बोल के सीढ़ी उत्ते बह जा वल्लीए नवा ले ले ट्रक तेरे यार ने बाबियां दी चल चलीए खाओ पियो ऐश करो मित्रो दिल भर किसे दा दिखायो ना खाओ पियो ऐश करो मित्रो दिल भर किसे दा दिखायो ना ओए असी अज दे राजे हाँ साडा पता नहीं गल दा नी डॉलर वांगू नी नाम साडा चलदा डॉलर वांगू नी नाम साडा चलदा ओ यारी यारां दी जिथे अजमाली नी मित्तरां दा नां चलदा जिथों मर्जी वंगा चढ़वाली नी मित्तरां दा नां चलदा मित्तरां दा नां चलदा खट के ले आंदा गाना खट के ले आंदा गाना पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन नानी ते नाना पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन नानी थोड़ा जिहा सर्कल वड्डा कर दो नाना नानी दी बोली नचन नानी ते नाना पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन नानी ते नाना ओ जी दे हेठ घोड़ा मोढे ते दनाली नी पग बनदा जी उन्हें मोड़ वाली नी जी दी बच्चियां पिंडां च सरदारी नी लालिए हो जाए वैली नाल यारी नी कहंदे डीसी भी सलूटे ओनू मारदा डीसी भी सलूटे ओनू मारदा पैरां च थानेदार रोलदा तू नहीं बोलदी रकाने तू नहीं बोलदी तेरे च तेरा यार बोलदा अच्छा नानी जी नाना जी की कहते हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने पग दे नाल पूरी मैचिंग की आ तो की कहते हैं तेरी हारी लोनी आ शिंगार मेरे आहानिया तेरी हारी लोनी आ शिंगार मेरे आहानिया लैनिया दुपट्टा तेरी पग वारेगा वे तू कला मैनू लगे सारे जग वारेगा अगे नाना जी की कहते हैं काली ऐनक ना लाया करनी तू पहले ही सोहनी आ काली ऐनक ना लाया करनी तू पहले ही सोहनी आ खड़ के ले आंदी गादी पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन नानी ते दादी पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन नानी ते दादी पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन नानी ते दादी बारी बरसी खटन गया सी खड़ के ले आंदा रैडी पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन मम्मी डैडी पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन मम्मी डैडी पंगड़ा तां सजदा हुण जरा दोनों साइडां दे डैडी मम्मी आ जाओ स्पैशल बोली पैनी इन्हां दे जे नचन मम्मी डैडी पंगड़ा तां सजदा नचन मम्मी डैडी कुड़मनी दा मुकाबला आमो सामने कुड़मनी दा मुकाबला आमो सामने तेरी दिल्ली मेरा आगरा आमो सामने तेरी दिल्ली मेरा आगरा आमो सामने खट के ले आंदा सप नहीं मेलने मेरे बरोबर नच नहीं मेलने मेरे बरोबर नच नहीं मेलने लो जी हुण मम्मी डैडी आ पहुंचे दोनों सेंटर च अगे कुड़ी दा डैडी पता नहीं कित्थे गवाचा सीगा लभ के लियांदा हुण अच्छा जी ते डैडी जी की कहंदे ने मम्मी जी नूं ਉਹ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਬਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਖਟਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਡੈਡੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਲਵ ਯੂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਡੈਡੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਲਵ ਯੂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਡੈਡੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਲਵ ਯੂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਤੱਕ ਤੂਤੀਆਂ ਤੂਤੀਆਂ ਆ ਜੀ ਤੂਤਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਖੂਹ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀਏ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਤੂਤੀਆਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਜੀ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਮੰਮੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਜੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਲਾਗੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਾਗ ਦਵਾ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਲਾਗੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਾਗ ਦਵਾ ਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਾਲਰ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਦੀ ਵੇਲ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਾਲਰ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਦੀ ਵੇਲ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਤਾਰ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਆਜੋ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਨੱਚੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਨੱਚੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਜਦਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਜੋਸ਼ ਕਿਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਜਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵਾਹ ਬਈ ਵਾਹ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਵੈਸੇ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਲੋ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਰਾ ਉੱਚੀ ਬੋਲੋ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਕੁੜੀ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਆਮੋ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਆਮੋ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਗਰਾ ਆਮੋ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਗ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਰਮਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੜ ਪਾਵੇ ਹੋ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੜ ਪਾਵੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਰਹੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਐਸ਼ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਜ਼ੇ ਕੈਸ਼ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਮੀ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੀਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਆਮੀ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੀਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲੈ ਆਵੀਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲੈ ਆਵੀਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਊਰੀਆਂ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਮੁਰਾਦਾਂ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਜੀ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਮੁਰਾਦਾਂ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਜੀ
All right, ladies and gentlemen, your dance floor is now open. Everyone is welcome to join on the dance floor now.
She
Yeah. Hey,